told you to take them back, and you kept them. Now look what they've done.
Okay, granted, we do have some discipline issues.
Eating kids is not a discipline issue.
But he spit them out.
Wow, that's super. Let's give him a gold star. Kid of the week. They don't belong here, Sid. Whatever they are, wherever you found them, take them back.
Danny, I'm not getting rid of my kids. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Mama's here. Do earthquakes shriek? Extinct.
Well, then that is one angry fossil. Sid!
Come on, inside.
Nobody move a muscle. No, don't cry.
We are poor little lambs who have lost our way. Bob, Bob!
Sid, give them to her. She's their mother.
How do I know she's their mother?
What do you want, a birth certificate? She's a...
Well, I put in the blood, sweat, and tears to raise them.
For a day. Give them back, you lunatic.
Look, these are my kids. And you're gonna have to go through me to get them.
Run!
Don't you have anything better to do?
Whoa!